Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my 5 favorite cleaning products and tools from the Dollar Tree. I love to shop there for my cleaning business as well as just cleaning items that I use around my house. The last item I'm going to show you is my favorite cleaning tool. I use it at all of my cleanings, so definitely stick around to find out what it is. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa and I run my own cleaning business that I started about 6 months ago, and it has taken off, and I love sharing my tips and tricks with you guys, especially over on TikTok. So here's my TikTok handle. I will also leave it down below in the description. My Instagram, and then over here on YouTube I don't share as much because it's just very time consuming to film over here on YouTube, but I definitely want to film more videos, so definitely hit that subscribe button. Alright, so number 1 is this Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner. I use it specifically for floors, but as it says multi-purpose cleaner, you can use it as a surface cleaner or anything that you want. This is the orange scent, I was about to say flavor, with baking soda. They have the lemon scent, they have I can't even remember, but they have a bunch of different colors and scents. This one I didn't think I was gonna be a fan of because I don't really like orange, but I'm literally obsessed with it. So this one is my favorite. They do have the yellow one is antibacterial, so you guys can kind of mix and match which ones you use, but I love this one and I use this one for cleaning floors. Going along the theme of like multi-purpose cleaners is LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. So on the back it lists off like a bunch of things. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in and show you guys. So it says you can use it on a ton of stuff. I like to use it for counters and stovetops, and I like to use it in the bathroom too. It's not a disinfectant, so obviously you can't disinfect with it, but it is just a really good multi-purpose cleaner if you guys are on a budget and looking for something to do the job. The third cleaning product I don't have with me, but I'll insert a picture right here, is the Lime Away Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I absolutely love this stuff. Between this and the Lysol Rust and Lime Scale toilet bowl cleaner that I use, those are my 2 favorites. I love this stuff and I pick it up whenever they have it in stock. They like very rarely have it in stock at my dollar store. So between that and the Lysol Rust and Lime cleaner, those are my 2 favorite toilet bowl cleaners. Number 4 is these soap pads. This is the dollar store brand, the Scrub Buddies. It comes in a 10-pack. They're very comparable, like it says on the box, to the SOS pads. And these are $1. I think the SOS pads you can get like an 18-pack for like $3 something. So this ends up obviously being a better deal, and I don't really see a difference at all. So if you guys are looking to save some money, these are great for like pots and pans like it has on here. I like to use them on stovetops, and my favorite place to use them is in the oven, like on the oven interior and on the oven glass door. So definitely check these out. Okay, this last item I'm going to show you is literally my favorite thing ever, and I'm so glad it's $1 at the dollar store, but it is very hard to find. So if you do find them, stock up, but definitely leave a few for other people. And it is these scrub brushes. So they've actually updated it a little bit. They used to not have these little grips, but oh, there's my cat, Kelly. Okay. She doesn't care. You see a lot of cats. I have 3 cats and a dog between me and my mom, so you know, you'll notice tails and things. Anyway, so these are actually called garage brushes, but you can find them with all the other like cleaning brushes and tools and stuff, and they are like a soft bristle. Let me list off all the things that I use this for. I use this for sinks, showers, shower glass doors, floors. You can use this as a toilet brush. I don't, but you can. It is a great quality brush. It always lasts me at least like a month, and that's like, I run a cleaning business, so I use it probably a lot more than the normal person uses it, but I always stock up when I find them because I couldn't find them for like months. So when I did find them, I took like 8 of them. I left a few, don't worry, but I took a lot. So those are my top 5 favorite cleaning products from the dollar store. I have plenty that I also like, but I probably wouldn't qualify them in my top 5, obviously. And then I have some that I don't like. So if you guys want a video on products I do not recommend from the dollar store, let me know. Also give me video suggestions below. If you guys have stuck with me for a long time, you guys know I mostly do like clean with me videos, and I want to continue doing those, but they are not my favorite videos to film. So I want to maybe do like one a month of those, and then do different videos like this that are cleaning related, but not necessarily a clean with me. So if you guys have a particular video that you want me to film, definitely leave it down below in the comments. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go follow me over on TikTok for almost daily cleaning motivation, as well as Instagram, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.